Now you go in with your coiling iron, you straighten it. You can go over it until you see that the flyaways are no longer there, right? You turn it and repeat the same process. Now you curl. Now remember I said when you're on the left, you curl towards the right, and when you're on the right, you curl towards the left. Now this is what I want. Now you take in your hair from here. This is your right, obviously. You pull, and then you pull, pull,